Hi everyone, welcome to another fun Kids STEAM science experiment. Warning, this will get a bit messy. Make sure you have a plastic sandwich bag, colored permanent markers, baking soda, vinegar, and paper towels. Decorate the sandwich bag with a snowman's face. This is a great opportunity to get creative. Wrap 3 teaspoons of baking soda inside a paper towel. Now place that paper towel with the baking soda inside in the plastic bag. Pour 1 to 2 cups of white vinegar into the sandwich bag and quickly seal it. Stand back and watch as the bag begins to inflate and possibly explode.